Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to upload images to Grok AI. In today's digital age, being able to efficiently upload and enhance images using platforms like Grok AI can be a game changer. Whether you're entirely new to Grok AI or you're aiming to sharpen your skills, this guide is designed to simplify the process, making it both straightforward and efficient. So, let's dive right into the details and get started. First things first, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you regularly use. Once your browser is open, head over to Google. This is an excellent starting point for any web-based task because of its simplicity and efficiency. In the search bar, type in Grok AI and press enter. You should see a list of search results pop up almost instantly. Look through these results and find the official Grok AI website link. It should be one of the first few links you see. Click on this link to navigate directly to their homepage. Now that you're on the Grok AI homepage, your next task is to find the clip icon. This icon is crucial because it's your portal to uploading an image. Typically, it's located at the top of the page, often within a navigation bar or displayed prominently to capture your attention. Look for an icon that resembles a paperclip or camera and click on it. This action will take you to the image uploading interface. Once you've clicked on the clip icon, a prompt will appear asking you to select an image to upload. This image can be any photo you have stored on your computer or device, so feel free to take a moment to choose carefully based on what you intend to do with it on Grok AI. After selecting the perfect image for your project, you're ready to move on to the enhancement stage. Creating a prompt is an integral part of using Grok AI's capabilities. This step allows you to convey to the AI what kind of edits or enhancements you're interested in applying to your image. For instance, if you wish to adjust the lighting or improve the color balance, make sure your prompt clearly reflects these desires. Be as descriptive as possible because this will help the AI understand and execute your needs accurately. Once you have crafted your prompt with precision, the next step is simple but crucial. Click on the Submit button. By doing this, you send both your image and the instructions to Grok AI, allowing it to start processing your request. At this point, Grok AI will begin working on enhancing your image based on the specific instructions you've provided. Now, let's delve into the realm of special enhancements. Say you've chosen a landscape photo. There might be an option available to enhance it professionally. This could involve improving the clarity, adjusting the lighting, or refining the color balance. You might picture a brighter sky, bluer waters, or richer tones in the foliage. Adding soft shadows or creating gentle depth can also be achieved at this stage by clicking on the enhancement link. These are all customizable options that allow you to tailor your image to your vision. And there you have it. By following these detailed steps, you can successfully upload and enhance images on Grok AI with both precision and creativity. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in using Grok AI to bring out the best in your images. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to upload images to Grok AI quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.